All right, so here we have a 2006 Honda Element. The check engine light is on, so we have attached a scanner, seeing what codes are in it. Looks like it has set 2 codes for the O2 sensor. The sensor 1, which would be the air fuel, the furthest upstream that we can find. All right, so here we are underneath the car. So a car, this is a 4-cylinder, so we're only dealing with 1 bank. If it was a V6, we'd have 2 banks. So we're just working on 1 bank. So this would be bank 1, and we have sensor 1. This would be an air-fuel ratio. This is going to be what makes the call, if it's rich or lean. And then we have a second sensor downstream, and this is for catalytic efficiency. So this one's not going to be so movie. We want to see a more steadier signal coming out of this one, where this one is going to be very much live data, rich, lean, and trying to control the fuel management. So that's where you see like upstream, downstream. So we're going to be doing sensor 1 upstream, and that would be this one here. So we're going to go ahead and see how well this is. Sometimes these are a pain. We did warm the car up a little bit. That's always good to try to loosen it up. So we're going to go ahead and get that sensor out now. All right, so when removing an O2 sensor, there are several tools. All right, so this would be one style tool. This would be the second style tool. And sometimes you can just come right in with a regular. What I normally do, since you're taking this out, I cut the wire, I slip this right on, and this is the full contact, versus this could spread, this could also spread. You start rounding this nut here, and it just makes the job a whole lot harder. So we're going to go in first. We're going to just try to use this one. I like the fact that there's not a big gap in it. It's going to be a little bit more integrity, so it won't spread, the jaws apart. All right, so that was pretty easy there. Go ahead and remove our wire from the mount. On the back side here, there's a little pin to release that slide. All right. So we want to compare the O2 sensor with the new one that we have. Make sure the wire links are the same. Oh yeah, look at that thing. It's definitely pretty hot. All right, so here we have our new O2 sensor. Some anti-seize to put around the threads, so it makes it easier for the next guy. This also has a protector here. We want to be very mindful not to touch the end here. We don't want to contaminate it with any kind of oils or anything like that. So we want to be very careful not to touch that side of the O2 sensor. All right, so you can see it's the exact same one we pulled out, same mounting point. Denso is original equipment stuff for Honda, so pretty quality part for this car. All right, so we'll go ahead and just put a little bit around the threads here. So now we have replaced the O2 sensor. We're going to go up now, and we're going to go back to the scan tool and clear the code and check for connectivity. So we're in a heat up mode right now. We just started the car up. The cars give a lot of fuel in the first couple minutes of running just to be able to get the operating temperatures up. And so we should be able to do a little throttle. Should be able to see something happen. We can definitely see my throttle stroke in the bottom. Okay, so we're going to go in and we're going to clear the codes. All right, and we erased. All right, so we're all set. Take it for a test drive.